Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for YouTube thumbnails on mobile. First, download the free Canva app from your mobile app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Then, use the search bar at the top to find YouTube thumbnail templates. This will give you a perfect starting point for your video's visual appeal. Now, let's pick a template. Canva offers thousands of pre-designed options. Browse through them and select one that catches your eye. Once chosen, you can tap on any element like text or an image to edit it. Change the text, adjust the font style, or pick new colors. You can also swap out background images to perfectly match your video's theme. To make your thumbnail truly stand out, add more elements. Canva provides a vast library of stickers, shapes, and icons you can easily incorporate. You can also upload your own photos or your channel's brand logo directly from your mobile device. Remember to adjust the transparency, position, and size of each element to create a balanced and visually appealing composition for your audience. Finally, it's time to save and use your amazing creation. Look for the download icon, usually located at the top right of your screen, and tap it. Select a high-quality image format, such as PNG or JPG, to ensure your thumbnail looks crisp. Once saved to your device, you can then easily upload this new, eye-catching thumbnail directly to your YouTube video, attracting more viewers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.